This is an inaccurate example of Jupiter's moon size comparison. 1 kilometer. S/2009 S1, smallest satellite in the solar system. These are the 7 1-kilometer satellites of Jupiter. But S/2009 S1 is a natural satellite of Jupiter. Now for the 28 2-kilometer natural satellites of Jupiter. After that, there will be 11 3-kilometer natural satellites of Jupiter. This will represent 11 4-kilometer natural satellites of Jupiter. Now there will be 3 5-kilometer natural satellites of Jupiter: Iocaste, Tegete, and Megaclite. To see a list about the natural satellites of Jupiter. Calica, a 6.9-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter. Praxidike, a 7-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter, if I say it correctly. Themisto, a 9-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter. Calero, a 9.6-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter. Now for the extended comparison. Adrestia, a smallest inner moon of Jupiter with 16.4 kilometers. Leda, a 21.5-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter. Ananke, a 29.1-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter. Sinop, a 35-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter. Lysophia, a 42.2-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter. Zooming out for room of the natural satellites so the comparison will extend. Métis, the closest inner moon to Jupiter and the second smallest inner moon of Jupiter within 43 kilometers. Harm, a 46.7-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter. Pacific, a 57.8-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter. Elara, a 79.9-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter. For the 3 large satellites of Jupiter, This is Tebe, the furthest inner moon from Jupiter, and the second largest inner moon with Jupiter with 98.6 kilometers. Himalaya, a 39-kilometer natural satellite of Jupiter. And Amalfi, the largest inner moon of Jupiter, with the capable size of 167 kilometers. This will be the second last zoom for the two Galilean moons of Jupiter. This is Europa, the smallest Galilean moon of Jupiter, with 3,121 kilometers, and it also contains ice and water. Io, a 3,643-kilometer Galilean moon of Jupiter, the closest Galilean moon to Jupiter, and it also contains over 400 active volcanoes. Now for the very last zoom out. Is Callisto, a 4,820-kilometer Galilean moon of Jupiter, the oldest moon of the solar system, the furthest Galilean moon from the Jupiter, and additionally contains ice and rock. And finally, Ganymede, the largest moon of the solar system, containing 5,268 kilometers, and it also contains ice, iron, and rock. Now for the zoom in from Ganymede to Valatudo.